So again, so we have covered know the chemicals, know the equipment and experiment setups. Lastly, you have to know the lab. So you have to know what is the location of your fire extinguishers, location of your spill kits, the emergency shower and eye wash stations, the hazards present. So, especially if you're working in a lab na masyadong diverse yung mga projects of the different people working there, then you have to have some idea, maybe not everything, but you have to have some idea of what they are doing and what are the hazards that are associated with the work that they do. Para in case na may mangyari, not only can you will be able to assist them, help them to for example, um, wash themselves, or you'll be able to help address the fire, or do something else to address the accident or emergency. So yun, you should be aware of the hazards present, um, for those purposes, as well as for protecting yourself as well. So for example, um, you know na merong gumagamit ng mga volatile toxic materials in the same lab, then you have to also make use of the same of the proper PPE. If there is a need for respirators, please do make use of respirators. If you're working in the same area and hindi mako-contain yung mga vapors na yon. And this is also to, I think we have to develop yung culture of safety awareness and safekeeping of each other. So aside from like just taking care of your own self, you have to also take note of um, the safety of the others who are working with you. So you are your brother's keepers, you are your colleagues' keepers. And so you have to also make sure that they are in a safe environment as they work with you. Um, Storage location of different chemicals. Again, yes, this is important. You have to store different chemicals according to the proper storage for them. Emergency exits and assembly area in case of emergencies and accidents. You have to make sure that you are aware of where to go in case of emergency. Where is the fire exit? You are aware of where are the fire alarms, and if needed, yun nga, yung fire extinguisher. And also, for some building, they will have a call point. So if you press that call point, not only will it trigger the alarm, but it will also have a means to contact either campus security or directly to the fire department. Um, and please take note, fire exits has to be kept unobstructed din pala. So yon. In addition, you have to also make sure that your fire exits are unobstructed. Okay, so this is just an example of a layout showing, okay, nasaan yung fire extinguisher, where are your fire exits, and so forth.